Reviving Section 8(4) of the Representation of People Act, a comprehensive review. Welcome to today's discussion on a crucial topic that's making headlines. Reviving Section 8(4) of the Representation of People Act, a comprehensive review. In the realm of Indian polity, the disqualification of legislators is a hot topic, and it's being sparked anew by recent events. Let's dive into the intricacies of the Representation of People Act, often referred to as the RP Act, and examine its Section 8(4). But before we get into the details, let's understand the context that led to this debate. The conviction of a prominent Congress Party member, Rahul Gandhi, raised questions about Section 8(4)'s relevance and necessity. The Representation of People Act of 1951 forms the foundation for overseeing elections in India, including disqualification criteria for legislators. Section 8 of the Act focuses on disqualifications following convictions. Let's break down its provisions. The Lily Thomas vs. Union of India case in 2013 played a pivotal role in shaping the current discourse. This landmark judgment struck down Section 8(4), leading to immediate disqualification upon conviction. Section 8(3) of the RP Act has garnered attention for its nuanced perspective on the timing of disqualification. The role of the President, empowered by Article 1.3, gains significance in ensuring a balanced approach. The question of stay, sentence versus conviction, adds another layer of complexity to the debate. The impact on legislators' careers is a crucial consideration, especially in cases of prolonged appeals. Balancing differentiation and the spirit of justice leads us to discuss the possibility of a constitutional amendment. The discussion on restoring Section 8(4) underscores the need for a comprehensive approach. As we conclude, there is a need for a delicate balance between procedural fairness and immediate action in disqualifying legislators. Thanks for joining us.